What causes bootable USB creation to fail from a bad ISO? Imagine trying to start a computer from a USB drive and nothing happens. It's frustrating, right? Sometimes the problem isn't the USB but the ISO file used to create it. When making a bootable USB, the ISO file is like the blueprint for the entire process. If that blueprint is flawed, the whole project can fall apart. So, what exactly causes these failures? First, if the ISO file is corrupted or incomplete, it can't provide the necessary files or boot information. This often happens if the download was interrupted or if the file got damaged during transfer. When you try to create a bootable USB from a corrupted ISO, the tool may fail to write the boot sectors or system files properly. That means the USB won't boot when you try to start your computer. Next, the structure of the ISO itself matters a lot. A valid bootable ISO must include a bootloader and a proper boot catalog. If these are missing or damaged, the USB creation process won't produce a bootable device. For example, Windows installation ISOs usually contain a specific bootloader compatible with both BIOS and UEFI systems. Linux distributions often use bootloaders like Grub or IsoLinux. If the ISO doesn't have these or they are broken, the USB won't be recognized as bootable. Another common issue is using an ISO that isn't supported by your creation tool. Some rescue disk ISOs or custom Linux images might need special handling. If the software you use doesn't support the ISO's format or boot method, the process can fail. For example, some tools only work with standard ISO files and can't handle specialized or non-standard images. The method you use to write the ISO to the USB also matters. Some programs extract files without preserving the boot information, which causes failure. It's best to use reliable tools designed for creating bootable media, like Rufus or Balena Etcher, and ensure they support your ISO's format. Lastly, the USB drive itself must be properly formatted and have enough space. If the drive is not formatted with the right file system, like FAT32 or NTFS, or if it has partition issues, the creation process can fail. The ISO's size is also important. Most bootable ISOs need at least 4 gigabytes of space, but some larger ones requiring 8 gigabytes or more. In summary, a bad ISO causes bootable USB creation to fail mainly because it lacks proper boot information, is corrupted, or isn't compatible with your creation tool. Always verify the ISO's integrity with checksums, use trusted software, and ensure your USB drive is ready before starting. Understanding these points helps you avoid common pitfalls and makes creating bootable media much smoother.